Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you're new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So you see me showing y'all my hair. My hair is now becoming more into the natural state, y'all, after that pixie cut, and it has actually grown from these protective styles. So today, as y'all can see, I will be using Klaiyi hair to install this wig, y'all, and it's so freaking quick. That's why my video is not that long. It did come with some goodies: a HD wig cap, a band, and also some lashes. Now they a little too big for my liking, so I'm not gonna be wearing those, but thank you. Now moving on into this wig, y'all. This wig is a 24-inch wig, and it is the Yaki texture, you guys, and it's so freaking cute. And I first saw someone with it on TikTok, and I just was sold after this, baby. I was just like, let me go ahead and see what this all about. You guys, the hair did come with like minimal shedding, like literally like 2 strands of hair. But if you add like a little bit of oil, which I will be doing, it really does not shed as much. And I have had this wig for a while now, and it is a V-Part wig. So it's really, really nice. I don't know if it's V-Part or U-Part. I think it's U-Part. But either way, both of them, they work all the same. So it come with like this little band, and I'm just going to take my scissors and cut that part off. And a lot of people was like, what is the band for? What is the band for? And so the band is literally just for you to cut off what I did right there. It comes with combs on the front, on the side, and to go around the parting area where you leave your real hair out. It comes with an adjustable strap, and it comes with like this like scrunchy type thing in the back. I always forget the name of those, but it come with that, and you can just make it more secure and tight. Now I was being lazy, so I did not braid my hair, but I do like the way it installs and looks like way flatter when my hair is like braided down. I have worn this multiple times, you guys, and people always think that it's like a sew-in, but baby, this is the sew-in under the time. Okay, you could do this at home yourself, okay? Because we saving them coins and we just get into it. I mean, like, I'm not finna sit in nobody's chair no more, okay, for 6+ hours for a sew-in. It ain't finna even happen right now. So I ain't finna do it. These wigs that they coming out with, y'all, it is really doing it for me. And as y'all can see, your girl already feeling herself, and I ain't even really got to what I need to be doing. But it was so freaking cute. I was like, okay, yeah, And your girl haven't really had like no dark hair in a while, so I was just like, yes, ma'am, okay. And as y'all can see, it's just brushing through, and I just really love how it gives like pressed out black girl hair. Like, it just really gives that for real, for real. It ain't too much yak and kink in it. It's just the perfect. I'm telling y'all, like, it will blend so well. If you have like 4C hair, it blends so freaking good. Even if you have like 4B hair, it just works, okay? It just works. I'm using this serum, and this is from Designer Essentials. I'm gonna just add a little bit of that for a little bit of shine, and I'm also gonna add some of it to the hair, the actual wig hair as well, because yeah, like I told y'all, it helps because it makes it not be able to shed, and it does shed a little bit, but it's really not that much. Like, you get a couple of strands. I'm also using this thermal blow dry heat protecting spray from Kendra, and it is for when you're doing a blow dry, but I always use it when I'm doing like pressing out my regular hair. That's when I always just, you know, go ahead and use it. I'm also going to be using that Sheet is Bomb Wax Stick, y'all, and it's really, really good. It just gets the hair flat, as y'all can see, and I'm really not even just like doing too much pressing with the hair. Like, I'm really not. I'm only doing about 2 passes, maybe 3 on some parts, but my hair is like becoming more of like a natural state from it being previously like permed, and I didn't want to go back to doing the relaxers or whatever like that. I really stopped doing it once I stopped getting my pixie cuts, and that's been like for 2 years now, so I haven't been doing them. I just been doing protective styles, and I did trim and cut off some of the perm, but not all of it, baby, because then I would have had to cut off my whole head, and I wasn't finna do that no more. All right, but y'all can see it's getting really freaking straight, and I'm really not doing too much, and y'all gonna really see when I start like pressing out the actual hair. I wouldn't finna just sit there and go piece by piece piece by piece. I wasn't finna sit over there and do that when it came to this hair, baby. I just said, I'm gonna just take like little bitty chunks of the hair and just press it out. And when it comes to my real hair, I just took like a little bitty pieces, you know, not too little, but I took some of it and just did this 1-2 for y'all and everything, and for where I was finna go, y'all. I was finna go out to dinner with my man, so I made sure to look presentable, okay? And yeah, I just feel like it just went ahead and looks really, really nice. And y'all saw me side-eyeing because he was like, that looks nice, you know? Yeah, but I think it looks really, really good. Just fixing that part in the middle, and then it's so freaking quick. That's why my video is under like 10 minutes, y'all, because it literally did not take me long at all to put this on my head or none of that. Now, when I have braided my hair down and then put it on there, like, you know, it'll take longer, of course, because you have to do the braid down first, but that's totally fine. You can really do some big braids and just call it a day. I will say it is getting flat right here, as y'all can see. Like, I'm taking chunks. Like, the hair in the wig is laying flat, but it's also just, you know what I'm saying, getting super straight. But I feel like when I did it with the braids underneath instead of my buns, it was even flatter. So, you know, to each his own, do what you like, but this is how it ended up turning out, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure you follow me on all my other social platforms if you want to keep up with your girl. If you are new, I thank you for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye.